Welcome UniData EDA customer. UniData and Universe support EDA solution against the Oracle Server from the beginning. This YouTube video will explain how to set up Oracle client and some demo on the UniData Server A2 on the Unix, on AIX, work with the EDA solution against the Oracle Server installed on the Windows environment. On the U2 EDA driver, we already support many clients and database. For the Oracle Server, we're using called OCI clients. So from OCI client, then we can connect to the Oracle Server from 11.2. They have so many versions now, still working on the same way. So if you use the EDA driver, then we're using EDA driver, then connect to OCI, then connect to Oracle Server. So how they set up the environment for the Oracle Server and Oracle client on the multiple platform. One is popular one is on the Linux environment, AIX and HP on Windows environment. So my demo will be on Oracle Server is on Windows environment. It's running on Oracle Server version 11.2. On the Windows, they have two service and must be running on the server side. It's called Oracle Server, a database called OCOTB, and also need to make sure the listener is running on the Oracle Server. Then the client, they already have several latest version. My demo will be using the 19 version client. It's very easy to set it up. First, you can download the Oracle Instant Client from Oracle website. So here just the link. And they have several options you can download. Basically, all you need to do is download the basic light driver and also a SQL Plus tool to test your SQL Plus connection. For my demo, I will put the same location, put it on the OPT and Oracle folders. So all the setting is pretty easy to set it up. So after I install it, then I need to make sure set up the couple Oracle client environment must be set. One is called Oracle underscore base and Oracle underscore home. On Linux, you need to set up the library LD underscore library path and also set up the path to test the SQL Plus command. And you set the all environment correct. And also you need to specify the server are using they have several different ways. I use very simple ways to define the service, next service in the tnsnames.ora. Here just example called OCOTB service, and you just specify the service IP address and also the port number by default with 1521. So on the UniData side, make sure you have an EDA license. You can run the on UniData. You can run comprop to verify EDA is with the license. Also need to create the EDA config file. They have a script file called EDA setup.sh. After you run the script, a couple questions, then you can set it up the file called EDA config file. It should be on the UniData A2. Let's locate. That should be user UDA2 include folder. Only need to 39. One is called Oracle driver, and the path make sure is point to your Oracle instant client path. For the driver, last one is called log level. You can set the different log level. By default is 0, is no logging. So after that, you can create the EDA data source. You have two ways. One is using the EDA schema manager tool, or you can using the basic program. But sometimes you don't have permission. A user does not have a permission, root permission to using the EDA schema manager tool. So you make sure you have a permission on the EDA underscore data source file, EDA underscore section folder permission, and .u2 security, and .eda security permission on the Linux. Most of my testing, I don't have a root permission on Linux box, but I can using the sudo to root on the UniData environment. I can run the basic program to create the EDA data source. So using this way, actually do the same way on the EDA schema manager. So after I create the EDA data source, so I can easy to create the mapping. For my demo, pretty simple. I just create one file called states ORA. Now this file is just the same states file, just convert to Oracle. So after convert it, you can show the using the select star from state ORA command to see all the data on the SQL Plus tool. So it's very easy to verify your conversion is successful. Also, I show you on the AX environment is all the same setting on the Oracle instant clients, just different driver. But AX system, first time you running the SQL Plus, you might see this error. You cannot create completion port. That's the requirement on your AX system to make sure IOCP parameter must be available. So all my machine I tested from beginning, it will error, this kind of error. So I can using the SMITI IOCB function to make sure the system IOCB port is available. After you change the system setting, you need to restart your machine to make it work on the new setting. So I will using the two demo system to show you how it work on the Linux, on the AIX. So first one, I will work with the on our Linux box. So I can using the list the Linux. So I already go to the Oracle website. Here's the website. Here's the Linux one. I can download. I choose the 19. You can choose 21, 23, but I choose in the 19. That's most common using the driver. They have multiple option. I using the zip file. Just for basic light package, that's enough. You can use in the standard package or using RPM package, and also using I want to SQL Plus. So after I download this, so I can put it in the this folder. So I create called /obt Oracle, and just put this the zip file and I unzip it, unzip these two folder, this zip file, so it became it will unzip to everything is the here. So all the Oracle clients, SQL Plus tools, all put it on the same folder. So after I set this one, and I also need to create the tnsnames.ora. I put it in the standard way in the call tmnet in the network folders and admin. So that's the folder standard way to put the TMS name here. So that's the way I put it, called tnsname.ora. So this way I can connect to this the Oracle server on this server. Before you do this way, make sure your Oracle server is running. My environment is running on Windows, so I can show you very quick. So let's just so let's Oracle server on the Windows environment. On this Oracle server, make sure they have Oracle OCOTB service, and also have a listener. It's running on the Oracle server. So this the Linux Oracle client is running on this Linux box. So I can show you. That's the Red Hat. So running is the Red Hat 8.4, the server. And so after I set it up this environment, I can make sure all environment the must be set correct. So that's the setting. So that's the make sure you have Oracle underscore base, Oracle underscore home, and the LD library path include this Oracle client library, and set up the Oracle home as part of the path. So I can easy to set up special on the TMS name, TNS underscore admin, to point to where you store in the tnsnames.ora the configuration file. So after you set this one, I can start to test the SQL Plus. That's the SQL Plus command to this username, password, and that's the Oracle service name. So after setup environments correct, so you can connect to your Oracle server without any problem. So if you want to see the Oracle server version, so you can that's the command to show you what is the Oracle server version right now running on the Windows. So next, the Oracle instant client and setup is correct. So next step is running the your UniData server. So here's the UniData server. I can show you. UniData server is running on user UDA2. So I need to set up the environment. Or I already set up the UDT home. Is user UDA2. So I also have UDT bin set up on this machine. So I can user UDA2 demo. So inside here, I already because I only have a regular user on this machine, I don't have a root, but I can right now I can sudo root, so I can set it up for the if you run the EDA setup. First, I make sure the license, so I can run the config. Yep. So EDA license is already there, so I can make sure license already there. So next step, I need to run the EDA setup. So you can run EDA setup.sh. So that's the Oracle. So the path, I set up the Oracle Instant Client path. So it's set up as correct. So if you're looking for EDA config file, so here's the EDA user UDA2 include EDA config. So that's the setting EDA config file like this. So after environment set it up, EDA config file is set it up, and next step we create the EDA data source. So I already have EDA data source. I using this one called so I already created a EDA source called OCOTB. This one actually is the Oracle Next service name, and I using the username password to create it. So I already have OCOTB EDA data source, but I can create another one and show you another program. Go to so this one I'll call OCOTB. Created I using the same SQLnet service, but I created another EDA data source. So right now it's BP, so I can go back. So right now I run it. It's a UniData 823. So I can show you. So right now already created EDA OCOTB data source. If you I can running called create. So the name will be ds OCOTB2. So I can use the same way to run it. So actually it will create another one. So if I create this one, list 2. So I already have another one called OCOTB2. So after I create it, I can using the EDA connect command called OCOTB2. Just create in this way. EDA 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 CONNECT OCOTB2. So it's successful. Connect to new create the OCOTB EDA data source. So after create this one, also have another one. I can EDA connect OCOTB. Yeah, before I already create called OCOTB is the same. So after create this one, then I can try to using the schema manager tool. This one I can connect to this one. So if you look at the data source already 2 OCOTB2, I can use the same and connect to demo. So demo, I already create a previous already test called states ORA states Yeah, this one I already converted. I can create another one called stage 2. It's just the same, just stage 2. So using the OCOTB. So it just I can do the conversion because only a 9 record, so it should be very quick. So already converted, successful. So go back to here, so you can see list, stage 2. So this one actually is Oracle stage 2. It's Oracle table. So next step, I will show you on the AX. So if you go back to so I previous already have a called states ORA. So that EDA save as original UniData file, and I just created another one called stage 2. And this is already successful connect to Oracle. So you can very easy to run the SQL statement to uh, SQL Plus and connect to the Oracle. Then you can run the state command to see the state file. So for example, I can show you very quick. I just run the SQL Plus tool. So here the SQL Plus tool. So SQL Plus tool, select 2. So let's just 9 record from stage 2. I just run the EDA schema manager tool, convert the stage 2 file to the Oracle. I have another one called stage ORA. So it's just a completely same process. But I already do the same step on the AX box. So that's another one. So I can quick. So another box is AIX. So this AIX box is just the same. I need to go to the Oracle website. So here's the next step is called AX PVC 64-bit driver. I choose the same 19.24, so I can download the SQL Plus package and the basic light package. So after I download it and I put the driver here and I unzip it, so I can do the same thing and to so it's networks. So I can put the same. So I put the same tnsnames.ora on the AX box. So this is the AX box 71 AX71. So after this, I want to make sure the SQL Plus I can run it from here. Uh, Before you can do this, make sure all environment is set up is correct. For example, you just need to set up the same Oracle client environment on this AX box, and also this UniData setup is UDT home. It's A2, A24. So also have UDT bin. So all the environment is already set it up on this box. So this one I can using the same basic program. So this one U2A2. demo. So there's the BP program. So it's basically it's the same program. I created the same OCOTB service EDA data source. So after created, I don't need to recreate the states OI file. So I actually actually this the EDA file is come from Linux box. So after I set it up, then I can using the same Oracle EDA file to access the same database. So I can run UDT. So again, this stays. So it's the same. It is the same or not? I don't know. We can take a look. So it can UDT. So I can from the, for example, I can update Colorado. CO. So I can hit X. So right now I can save it. Then can run again. So you see, we can see the same Colorado X data to see the same things. So on the Xbox and the Linux box, there is a byte. The high byte, low byte machine is different. So on the Linux is low byte machine and XHP machine. So if first time, if you try to direct, I just copied it to on this machine, and you will see the after I set it up the VOC file, so called AE VOC. So I already copied to 10 folders. That's the original file. So when I try to run this file, so you will see this kind of error because the original file is this machine is a high bit machine, high byte machine, and but the original file is from Linux. It's low byte machine, so it's not compatible. So how can you make it work? We have one issue to convert the EDA file. So if I show you the setting, so I already copy the states. I already copied this file, so I can run CMV data to. If you try to convert this file, you will get an error. So it says, oh, this not a UniData file, so it doesn't work. But I already get the one tool from Fix Machine called that the tool actually called ConvData AX from the latest conv tool function. If you use this tool, so you will see you will convert successful. So I will you another YouTube video to explain how to use the new tool to make it work. So pretty simple to make it work on the UniData environment. It's same thing, same step on the Universe side. So you can follow the same step to install the Oracle client to make it work on the Universe also. So hopefully you can enjoy this quick demo to show you work how to work with the set up the Oracle client on your environment and to work with the UniData EDA and Universe EDA solution. See you next time.